G'day there and welcome to the Alternative Commentary Collective's Auto Trader Masterclasses on how best to flick your car.
Step number 2, you need to know your motor, like really know your motor. You're about to put it on Tinder. You're looking to attract a new lover and you want right swipers, okay? Not left swipers. We're talking rock hard stats to get any potential lovers excited. I'm talking your makes. I'm talking about your models. I'm talking about the year it was. And to finish you off, man, the kilometres.
Sorry.
Look, you can go deep on private browsing on Auto Trader to work out the difference between a hot hatch and a hatchback. Or you can cheat slightly and go straight to the forum equivalent of motor details, the Rego.
You can find 90% of the information you need on this little bugger right here. It's the Rego. It's got the make, the model, the year, and it's all crucial information because you're trying to get your car laid.
Mileage is always on the dash, never forget the kilometres. Some like them new, and a lot like them with a bit of experience. Different strokes for different folks, but the kilometres are a must when it comes to sticking your car on the Tinder for cars. Auto Trader. On the next episode of the Auto Trader Masterclasses on how to flick your car, we teach you how to be a cunning linguist. How words can be a weapon when it comes to selling your motor. Tell New Zealand about your car and you can win a billboard to help sell it. Just like this here. You'll be 100% cooler. Check it out.